foreign worker in plantation in Malaysia.
Foreign worker is a human who works outside their country. Nowadays, more than 2 million foreign workers in Malaysia.
Issue. First, foreign worker that enter or working in our country illegally. Second, lack of job opportunity due to population of foreign worker.
Next, the effect on the growth and right of trade union in Malaysia influenced by other composition of worker known as foreign worker.
Recommendation.
First, the employer need to limit the intake of foreign worker to reduce the increasing of foreign worker. Second, the foreign worker must have only one sector to work in this country.
Next, the government need to make a new policy. The relate department should be responsible by making action to resolve the problem.
Conclusion. Foreign worker in plantation should be under control. Our government sectors need to give opportunity to local people and let them increase the living standard. So, it's very important for our local people as a priority to make sure economy in Malaysia always rising. Thank you for watching.